Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Let's drop some really cute little bluebells into this scene to just polish it off. I'm using the LSP Bluebell Meadow Whimsical Overlay set. You can get these on the LSP Actions website, and for full tutorials you can go up onto the video tutorial library and click on the Botanical Overlays and you'll see all the tutorials there. This is just a super quick. So what I'm going to do is grab some of these bluebells and just drop them in. I'm going to use the bluebell framer stems here. And you can see they've dropped in right over the front of your image. On the actions, I'm going to use blur paint, but you can manually do this by going up to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. And I'm just going to blur them in to add that real foreground kind of blur there. See there, before and after. I'm also going to add a mask by clicking on the rectangle here with the circle in it on your adjustments area. And let's just lightly, I'm going to take our flow down, just take this off a little bit. I think I'm going to darken them down a touch as well, just so they kind of go where the shadow would be, and perhaps cool them down. And it just matches our scene a little bit better, so they're before and after. Let's add a couple more. I'm just going to drag and drop. How about a little bluebell cluster stems, and we can pop these into the background and really blur them up to suit that depth of field. So I'm going to hit the blur and just blur them right in and lighten up a little bit as well. I'm going to add a mask and we can just add a little bit of dabs and dots there, and perhaps one more. If you click on apply floral framer, it's going to come in with its own layer mask. So let's add a little bit more. Let's go for how about a single stem? And we can literally just pop this maybe a little bit closer to her. I'm just using my arrow keys just to really nestle this one in and add a little bit of blur. You can use the blur action, or you can go on filter, Gaussian blur. Add that in, and for this one here, just to match the scene, I'm just going to lighten that one up a little bit with a little slightly more lavender toning on it, just to match that scene. Okay, so let's see before and after. Just added even more interest to that scene. Added in some purple in the foreground and in the background there, just to kind of finish off what's already there in the image. Really, really pretty. And you can see more tutorials about how to use these overlays in so many different ways over on the LSP Actions website, lsp-actions.com, under the video tutorial library. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.